Hello, hello, good morning, good evening to everybody. And we are entering the next session on the technical class on transformer design. Okay, so as you know that we were discussing some questions on transformer design, and this was the question in the previous class that you were trying to solve. Example number 5.1. Estimate the reduction in volume expressed as a percentage of original volume of iron core conductors in a transformer when hot rolled silicon steel lamination worked at a flux density of 1.2 Weber per meter square are replaced by cold roll grain oriented silicon steel laminations worked at 1.8 Weber per meter square. Circular coils are used and the thickness of winding is negligible as compared with diameter of circumscribing circle. The length of flux path, area of conductor, and the number of turns are the same for both cases. Okay, right. So what they are asking in this question that you have a transformer which is having a hot rolled silicon steel lamination with a flux density of 1.2 Weber per meter square. And we are replacing the core with the CRGO silicon steel lamination which is having a flux density of 1.8 Weber per meter square. So what you are going to do is that this question you are changing the core, so that is why your flux density of the core is increasing from 1.2 Weber per meter square to 1.8 Weber per meter square. So what will happen that if the flux density will increase, then the amount of area of the iron core required and the amount of conductor required for the transformer will reduce. And that reduction you have to find. You have to estimate the reduction in volume expressed as a percentage of original volume. Okay. And in the question, they are saying that circular coils are used and thickness of winding is negligible as compared with diameter of circumscribing circle. So you have to assume that the circular coils are used in the transformer and the thickness of winding is very small as compared to the diameter of the circumscribing circle. The length of flux path, area of conductor, and the number of turns are same for both cases. Okay, it's a nice question. ट्रांसफॉर्मर डिजाइन में बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. आप क्या कर रहे हो बेसिकली फ्लक्स डेंसिटी को इंप्रूव कर रहे हो 1.2 वेबर से 1.8 वेबर बाय चेंजिंग द कोर. ओके, एंड बाय डूइंग सो आपका आयरन रिक्वायरमेंट कम हो जाएगा, कंडक्टर रिक्वायरमेंट कम हो जाएगा. तो वो कितना कम हो जाएगा वो आपको निकालना है. ओके, that is what we are going to do here. Okay, so then let us share the whiteboard. Okay, and in the previous semester, in the previous session, we had done this part. Okay, the estimation and the reduction in volume in percentage. So what we have done here is that we have denoted two variables, assigned two variables AIH and AIC, and AIH stands for net iron area hot roll lamination 1.2 Weber per meter square, and AIC is the net iron area CRGO steel lamination 1.8 Weber per meter square. And the net iron area is proportional to the flux density, but it is not directly proportional, it is inversely proportional to the flux density. That means that if the flux density will increase, then the net iron area will reduce. Okay, you are having the flux density for both type of steel. Hot roll lamination is having 1.2 Weber per meter square, and the cold roll grain oriented steel lamination is having 1.8 Weber per meter square. So what you have to do here is that you can just find a relation between them two by a ratio between them two, that AIC divided by AIH is equal to the ratio of these two flux densities. Okay, but because they are inversely proportional, so you can write here Okay, you can write here you can write here AIC by AIH. Okay, AIC by AIH. Okay, AIC divided by AIH. AIC by AIH is equal to 1.2 by 1.8. Okay, Weber per meter square. This is the ratio because they are inversely proportional. So you will get the value of AIC by AIH is equal to 0.667. Okay. Now you have to find the reduction in volume expressed as percentage. So what you have to do is you have to subtract from initial iron area to the final iron area, that is AIH minus AIC divided by AIH into 100. So 1 minus 0.667 into 100, so you will get 33.3%. Okay, so 33.3%, that is the amount of iron area which you can reduce, or you are able to reduce, and that's a good amount. 30% iron area, if you are able to reduce, then you can also reduce the amount of costing for the transformer, and a large amount of money you can save by using the CRGO steel. So in this question, actually, they have expressed, or they have explained the benefit of using the CRGO steel lamination over the hot roll lamination. If you are using the CRGO steel lamination, you will basically improve the flux densities, and that is why the amount of iron used will be less. And similarly, you will also reduce the volume of the conductor. Okay, now first part of this question we have solved to estimate the reduction in volume. Now we have to estimate the reduction in volume. We have already solved the question for estimation in the reduction in volume for the iron area. We have to now find reduction in volume of the conductor. अरे कितना कंडक्टर आपका रिड्यूस होगा, कितना कंडक्टर आपको कम यूज करना पड़ेगा, वो आपको निकालना है सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन में. ओके, तो दैट इज ए गुड थिंग. ओके, so let us do the second part. The second part जो है उसमें क्या पूछा है, कंडक्टर्स इन ट्रांसफार्मर जो है वो कैसे reduce होगा, ठीक है ना. So for this we will be checking on the next session. Okay, so you can join me to in the next session. Okay, so I'm ending this meeting for now, and thank you for joining this. Goodbye, take care.